Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today's tutorial is going to be based on how to cut a long twisted turban using drawing material. The fabric is 1 yard. So the next thing you're going to do now is going to be the measurement. Since we are dealing with 1 yard, see, it's probably 38. So now the next thing you're going to deduct from here is the longness of how long you want the cap to be. So here, the longer of my cap, because it's going to have a fish shape taping at the edge. So now I'm using 13 for my own longness of the cap. So I'm going to trace this 13 down for cutting. I'll measure, it's a drawing material, so you have to be very careful. I have to measure 13 here also, 13 here as well. So after you measure the two 13, you're going to fold the two for cutting. This is very notch. So I'm going to place it down like this. So I'll be able to cut it very well, because the drawing material you have to be very careful so that it won't bend. Like this. This is where I chopped. So like this. So the next thing now is I'm going to cut it. I'm cutting it out. So now I'm done with the cap. This will be the one that will stay at the head. I'm coming for the cutting. So the next thing is the twisted one that I'm going to cut out here. So these are the mini, this is the mini fabric. So now I'm going to divide this, the remaining length, into 4. This is 25 inches. I'm going to divide 25 inches into 4 now. So like I said, the remaining length here is 25. So 25 divided by 4 now is 6.2. 6.2 inches. So this is my, so this is my 6.2. And so here this is 6.2. This is a notch. So this is where I'm going to cut it. I'm measuring to 6.2 here. I'll measure it at the down part too. I'll measure it here to 6.2 inches. You can see. Then I will not fold it. Folding it. This is my point. I'm folding it out for cutting. So I'll be able to cut it. So stretchy material, so you have to be very careful so it won't bend. So let's see. Anywhere I place my staple is going to give me 6 points. You can see? So I have to shift it. 6.2 inches. So I have to shift it a little bit. So like this, if I check here too, let me see. This is 6.2. so it will be very straight and it should be equal. So you have to be very careful when you're dealing with drawing material. So now I'm going to cut it. So now I'm done with the first one. So we're going to do the same thing for the remaining three. So that's what I want to do now. This is the first one. So I want to dot the remaining three out too. So these are the four that I'm going to twist together. This is the first one, the second one, and the third one, the fourth one. So the next thing I'm going to do it now is that I'm going to cut the cap out. So I told you earlier that this is the length of the cap, 13 inches, the way we cut it that time. So now I'm going to fold it into two. So I'm going to measure the wideness of the edge. So I'm using 13 here. So it's 13, I'm using 13. So I'm going to shift it to a drawing material. So no need of putting rubber. So this is 12 and a half. So 12 and a half is okay for the wideness of the cap. 12 and a half here. So now you're going to curve it like this from here up to, like, you're going to leave up to 4 inches. 4 inches, then you slant it like this. Like this. Then you're going to cut it out. This is how it's going to be. This is one that will stay at the front, this is the back. So the next thing I'm going to cut now is the V shape. The one that will overlap at the front. So I'm going to fold this like this. Folding it into two. Like this. So I'm going to take the measurement. 1, 2 and a half. 3 will be too much. 1, 2 and a half. This is 2 and a half. If I place it here, 2 is 2 and a half. Here 2 is 2 and a half. So it's okay like this. So now I'm going to cut it out. Before I cut it, let me check here to maybe it's the same thing. 2 and a half. So it's the same thing. So I can cut now. So this is it. Don't forget, I used the longness is the wideness of the cap is 12 and a half inches. So this is like the first one. So this is it. This is 12 and a half. So since it's going to have a tail, I'm going to cut it like a tail. So let me stop at the 16. So it will be 2 of this. So now I'm going to fold it. This is into 2 already, don't forget. So I'm going to fold it like this, making into 4. Let me trim this space away. likewise this. So you can see one is longer than one. I'm using this short one as 15 and a half and the long one as 19 and a half. So the next thing I'm going to do now, I'm going to cut it to have it till like this, at least up to 5 inches, so it will enter very, the free shape will show very well, like this. Then I will now cut it. So this is it. So for you to understand what I'm saying, let me place it for you. So if you want to place this particular way, you're going to notch the center first, like this. When you notch the center, then you open. When you open it, you place one of these here. If you want to sew it at this edge, you place it like this. Let me put pin for you to see. So the first one will stay like this. Then the second one will overlap it like this. That's why this particular one will be longer than this one. So it's going to overlap it like this. You have to set the V to come out. So to overlap it like this. So when you open it, this is how it's going to be. You can see it. You can see the face shape here. So then you're going to trim all these ones away. Then you cover it like this and sew here. Sew it up to like 1/2 inches. Here, you're going to sew it like this. So when you get here, you stop. Then you now place the one you're going to twist. This is 4. You can make it 3 if you want it to be so. So I'm making this 4 because I'm going to hold 2 at once, then 1 like this. So after when you stitch it and then you turn it, you stitch everything, then you turn it. So after then you place everything like this. Place everything like this. It's a mini 4. You place it like this. So after when you place it, you stitch it. So when you stitch it, let me use this thing to hold it. So this is how it's going to be. Then you now bring this back. So I told you you're going to stop here. Then you place this from inside like this. Then you now continue sewing. When you get a stitch, and that's all. So let me notch it for you. I'll now show you how you're going to twist it. So now you now open it. This is how it's going to be after when you sew it. So the next thing you're going to do, so as soon as you cut it into 3, you're just dealing with 3 of this. But now that I'm cutting it into 4, so I'll hold 2 like this, then I'll hold 1, then you twisting it. Then you can see the way I'm twisting it. Assuming you stitch it, it will be more neat more than this. So this is how you're going to do everything. You stitch to the edge here. So after that, you're going to place your cap. Then you begin. So when you put it on your head, you're going to turn it like this. You can set it the way you want, anyhow you want it. So this is what I'm trying to show you. That this is going to be. You can see the way I choose this. This is a finished one. This is the front I'm trying to show you. Now this is how you're going to twist it. You can see the two overlap. Then you're going to place it like this, like this, like this. That's it. This is how you can turn it the way you want. So thank you for watching. If you're new to my channel, you're welcome, and don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Bye.